Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your earbuds Huawei FreeBuds SE free. You have to start by open your browser and let's open new tab. And you should write Huawei AI Life. Now search and open the first link. Click install now, and it opened Huawei store, so click install right here. Download in browser, settings, allow, install. More details, install anyway. Open. Now select your region and then click next. Next. Agree. While using app. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!